Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin using the Exodus wallet. First, download and install the Exodus application on your computer or mobile device. Once installed, open the wallet and create a new one. It is crucial to immediately write down your 12-word recovery phrase and store it safely offline. Always ensure your internet connection is secure before proceeding with any transactions. Next, you will need to fund your wallet. Within the Exodus application, navigate to the Buy Crypto section. Here, you can select Bitcoin and your local fiat currency, such as US dollars or euros. Exodus integrates with several third-party payment providers, allowing you to choose one that suits your needs. Enter the amount you wish to spend, for example, $50, and proceed. After selecting your payment provider, you will be guided through their specific process. This often involves entering your payment details, such as a debit card number or bank account information. Some providers may require identity verification for security and regulatory compliance. Carefully review all transaction details, including the amount of Bitcoin you will receive, before confirming your purchase. The Bitcoin will then be sent directly to your Exodus wallet. Finally, always prioritize security. Never share your 12-word recovery phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your funds. Consider enabling two-factor authentication if available for your Exodus wallet or associated accounts. Regularly update your Exodus application to benefit from the latest security enhancements and features. Protecting your digital assets is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.